me. Will you guys do? Yeah? Okay. Come on, let's look. Last time the clue was back here. No. Come on, let's go into my secret hideout. No. Okay. What's that? It might just be a box, but it also might not. It might just be a box. Or it could be a clue. Let's look. It said this was the box that we had it last time in. I think this is a clue. This is hard to get out. Here, I need to put you right down right there. Okay, it's okay, kid. Mommy just needs to get this. Okay, that's better. Finally. What the? Handcuffs. That's weird. I didn't know. Handcuffs remind me of jail. Oh, hey, put them on me. I guess Kit wants me to put them on her. Oh no, your hands got through it. That's not supposed to happen. Guess you won't be able to say bye to the cloud. Because your hands up. Bye guys. Bye.